Welcome to the deep dive. So, you know how everyone's always telling us to log off, touch grass, disconnect?
The constant refrain.
Well, the irony is almost too much. Today we're looking at Jack Dorsey's latest thing, Bitchat.
Right.
And get this, it's supposedly a personal weekend project. He apparently vibe-coded it with an AI called Goose.
Vibecoding. Okay, that sounds intuitive, maybe.
Yeah, like less actual coding, more just telling the AI the vibe. Anyway.
Well, the really interesting part, building on that irony you mentioned, is what Bitchat is.
Go on.
It's peer-to-peer, Bluetooth mesh. So like zero Wi-Fi needed, no cell signal, no internet,
Wow.
no accounts, not even phone numbers. Messages just sort of hop between phones.
Like a little digital bucket brigade.
Kind of, yeah. And the data is ephemeral, it disappears. Plus there's this panic mode, triple tap, and poof, data's gone.
Privacy focused then.
Totally. Which is, deeply ironic coming from the guy who built Twitter, a global town square.
Right. Now he wants us all whispering in tiny offline groups. It does suggest maybe even the tech guys are getting tired of their own creations.
Or looking for something else. Digital autonomy, maybe?
So, okay, the tech concept it's out there. But what really makes me pause is how he claims it got built.
The speed.
Yeah. Functional in a day. Expanded over a weekend, all thanks to Goose, the AI assistant. I mean, what does that even imply for, developing stuff in the future?
Well, if it's true, it's potentially massive for how quickly things could be spun up.
Are we just gonna vibe code bridges next? Like, Goose, make me a bridge, but make it feel sturdy.
Hopefully not. But it does raise that core question. Why? Why build this particular app? Who is it actually for?
Good question. What are the use cases?
Well, they're pretty specific. Think natural disasters knocking out all the networks.
Okay, yeah.
Or maybe protests where people are worried about surveillance.
Yeah.
Big music festivals where your phone never works anyway.
Right, overloaded towers. Happens all the time.
Exactly. Or just being totally off-grid, traveling somewhere remote. Bitchat could, in theory, let devices relay messages maybe up to 300 meters or so.
So it's like the anti-WhatsApp for anarchists and doomsday preppers.
You could frame it that way. Or maybe just a tool for resilience, when the main systems fail or you just don't trust them.
Okay, but hang on. It sounds almost too niche, maybe. And surely there's a catch. There's always a catch.
Oh, absolutely. Big ones, actually. First off, zero external security audit has been done. None.
Seriously? For a privacy app?
Yep. And researchers almost immediately found ways to impersonate people. The identity part is apparently broken.
So you can't actually be sure who you're talking to. Great.
Not reliably, no. And for the cherry on top of the irony sundae.
Lay it on me.
Right now, there's a bug. iOS phones can't talk to Android phones on it.
You're kidding.
Nope. So this super private, secure-ish, off-grid app has unvetted security, impersonation issues, and can't even connect the two main types of phones yet.
It's like a secret club where half the members can't get in the door. Perfect.
Exactly. And this is where we bring in that Swetlana AI perspective, right?
Yeah.
Beyond the bugs in the tech.
Okay. What's the deeper read here?
Is Bitchat just this quirky little tool for edge cases? Or does it maybe reveal something more about us, about power?
How so?
Well, this whole attempt to dodge centralized control. Maybe it isn't progress. Maybe it's just a mirror.
A mirror to what?
To our own anxieties, maybe. About being watched all the time.
Yeah.
About how fragile all this connected infrastructure really is.
I see that. Like we built this giant web and now we're trying to find ways to crawl back out of it.
Precisely.
Yeah.
Are we reverting to this hyper-local, almost tribal communication because the global village feels overwhelming or compromised?
It's a heavy thought. So wrapping this up, what's the takeaway for you, the listener? Bitchat clearly isn't replacing your main messaging apps anytime soon. Think of it more as maybe a resilience tool, or just a kind of interesting toy for hyperlocal chat if you have the right phone.
Yeah, definitely don't plan your secret global takeover on it just yet.
Please don't.
But maybe think about this. This isn't just tech. This is myth in motion.
Okay.
Is this a real move towards digital freedom? Or is it just another story, another narrative spun in the whole decentralized hype machine? It makes you ask, what kind of connection do we actually want when the signal drops?
Something to chew on. That's our deep dive for today.